Everyone is talking about making money with AI. Most of what they're saying is either exaggerated, outdated, or designed to sell you a course. So let's cut through it. In 2026, AI is genuinely creating new income opportunities. But not the ones most people are promoting. The real opportunities are quieter, more practical, and far more accessible than the headlines suggest. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people are actually using AI to make money online right now, the realistic earnings, the tools they're using, and the honest truth about what it takes to get started. No hype. No course to sell. Just the real picture. Part 1. The honest state of AI income in 2026. Let's start with the truth about where AI income actually stands in 2026. According to Upwork's latest data, demand for AI-related freelance skills on their platform grew 109% year-over-year as of Q1 2026. AI video production services specifically grew over 300%. These are real numbers, from the world's largest freelance marketplace, not marketing claims. According to verified research from emergent.sh, covering 12 proven AI income methods in 2026, beginners applying AI to freelance services can realistically earn $500 to $2,000 per month within 90 days. Experienced freelancers are earning $5,000 to $15,000 per month. The gap between those two numbers is almost entirely explained by three things: niche depth, a portfolio of results, and consistency. And according to Fiverr's own 2026 statistics, freelancers who integrate AI tools into their workflow earn 25 to 40% more per hour than those who don't. Not because they're selling AI services, but because AI makes them faster, more productive, and capable of delivering more value in less time. Here is the single most important insight I can give you before we go any further. You are not selling AI. You are using AI as your production tool, the same way a photographer uses a camera. Clients don't pay for the camera. They pay for the result. That distinction changes everything about how you approach this. Part 2. The 3 tiers of AI income. Which one are you? Not all AI income opportunities are equal. And one of the most common mistakes beginners make is jumping straight to the most complex tier before building the foundation. According to a March 2026 analysis by Medium, AI income in 2026 exists in 3 clear tiers. Understanding which tier you fit into right now is the most important step you can take before anything else. Tier 1. AI-enhanced services. This is where most beginners start and where you should start too. You already have a skill: writing, design, video editing, marketing, customer service, admin. AI makes you faster and more productive at that skill. You don't sell AI services, you sell better, faster versions of what you already do. Realistic income boost: 20 to 50% more than you currently earn from that skill. For a freelancer earning $2,000 a month, that's an additional $400 to $1,000 per month from the same work done faster. Barrier to entry: low. You already have the skill. You just need to learn the right AI tools to amplify it. Tier 2. AI implementation services. Here you're helping businesses actually set up and use AI in their operations. Automating workflows, setting up AI-powered chatbots for customer service, building content systems, training teams on AI tools. Realistic annual income potential: $40,000 to $150,000 according to verified 2026 data. Barrier to entry: moderate. You need demonstrable experience implementing AI for real clients and documented results to show. This tier is not where you start. This is where you aim after 6 to 12 months of Tier 1 experience. Tier 3. AI product businesses. Building tools, SaaS products, automated content businesses, digital product lines. The highest income ceiling but also the highest complexity and longest time to revenue. Realistic early income, $200 to $500 per month in recurring revenue from niche micro tools according to KD Nuggets 2026 data. Can scale significantly with time and the right product market fit. Barrier to entry, higher. Requires product thinking, some technical ability or budget to hire, and patience to build. The mistake most people make is starting at Tier 3 when they have no foundation. The people winning with AI income in 2026 almost always started at Tier 1, built their skills, their portfolio, their client base, and moved up from there. Part 3. The AI-powered services actually getting paid right now. Based on verified data from Fiverr and Upwork in 2026, here are the AI-assisted services generating real income for real beginners right now. AI-assisted video editing and production demand grew over 300% on Upwork in 2026. Realistic rate, $25 to $75 per hour or $100 to $500 per project. Tools, CapCut, Runway, Pictory, DaVinci Resolve with AI features. What you're selling: faster turnaround, better quality, more output at competitive prices. Clients: YouTube creators, businesses, social media managers, coaches, real estate agents. AI-powered content writing. Realistic rate, $20 to $60 per hour. Tools: Claude, ChatGPT for drafting and research, Grammarly for polish. What you're selling: blog posts, website copy, email sequences, social media content, delivered faster and at higher volume than a non-AI writer. Important: AI-assisted writing still requires human judgment, editing and quality control. AI voiceover and audio production. Realistic rate, $15 to $50 per project. Tools: 11 Labs, Murph, Descript. What you're selling: professional voiceovers for YouTube videos, explainer videos, podcasts, corporate training materials. The barrier to entry is extremely low. The competition is growing rapidly. Differentiate by specializing in a specific niche: finance content, medical explainers, real estate walkthroughs. AI chatbot setup for small businesses. Realistic rate, $200 to $800 per setup plus monthly maintenance of $50 to $200. Tools: ManyChat, Tidio, no-code AI platforms. What you're selling: simple FAQ chatbots for small business websites and social media pages. According to multiple 2026 sources, 80% of small business owners cannot effectively use AI tools without help. That gap is exactly where this service lives. AI-generated digital products. Realistic income, variable, $100 to $2,000 plus per month depending on niche and marketing. Tools: Canva, Midjourney, Claude. What you're selling: templates, planners, ebooks, prompt libraries, social media kits, created once, sold repeatedly on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy Digital, or your own site. This is the closest thing to passive income in the AI space. AI-powered SEO and blog content packages. Realistic rate, $300 to $1,500 per month retainer per client. Tools: Claude or ChatGPT for content, Surfer SEO or similar for optimization, Write Blogger for workflow. What you're selling: a consistent flow of SEO-optimized blog content that drives organic traffic for businesses. One client on a monthly retainer can cover your entire tool stack cost. Part 4. What actually separates people who earn from people who don't? Here's the part most AI income videos skip entirely. Because it's less exciting than showing you tools and income numbers. The gap between the beginner earning $200 a month and the one earning $2,000 is almost never about which tools they use. According to the Emergent.sh 2026 analysis, the gap is almost entirely explained by three things. Number 1. Niche depth. Generalists struggle. Specialists thrive. I do AI video editing is a commodity. I do AI video editing specifically for personal finance YouTube channels, is a niche service with a defined client base, targeted marketing, and premium pricing power. Pick a niche. Go deep. Own it. Number 2, a portfolio of results. In 2026, most business decision makers have already experimented with AI tools themselves. What they pay for is proven results in their specific situation, not the fact that you use AI. Document everything. Case studies, before and after comparisons, client testimonials. Your portfolio is your sales team. Number 3, distribution. The best service in the world earns nothing if nobody knows about it. How do clients find you? Fiverr and Upwork profiles. LinkedIn content. Direct outreach. A YouTube channel. An email list. The people earning serious AI income in 2026 have at least one reliable channel where potential clients discover them consistently. These 3 things, niche, proof, distribution, matter more than which AI tool you use. The tools are table stakes. The strategy is the differentiator. Part 5, Platform Fees, the number nobody tells you up front. Before you start earning, you need to know what the platforms actually take from your income. Because these fees significantly affect your real earnings. Fiverr takes a flat 20% commission plus 2 to 3% payment processing on every transaction. That means on a $100 order, you receive approximately $77 to $78. Upwork uses a sliding scale. 20% on your first $500 with each client. 10% from $500 to $10,000. 5% above $10,000 per client relationship. Plus 3% processing fees. The practical implication for beginners, factor platform fees into your pricing from day one. If you want to earn $50 per hour net on Fiverr, price your services at $63 to $65 per hour to account for their 20% cut. Many beginners forget this and end up undercharging significantly. Part 6, your realistic 90-day AI income action plan. Here is a concrete, honest action plan for your first 90 days. Not a fantasy. A realistic roadmap based on what verified data says actually works. Days 1 to 7, choose your tier and your service. Based on your existing skills, decide which Tier 1 AI enhanced service you will offer. Pick one. Only one. Identify the 2 or 3 AI tools that directly amplify that service. Spend this week learning only those tools properly. Days 8 to 21, build your portfolio. Before charging clients, do 2 or 3 pieces of work for free or at a heavy discount. A sample blog post. A demo video edit. A chatbot setup for a fictional business. These become your portfolio. Without portfolio pieces, you are asking clients to take a leap of faith. With portfolio pieces, you are showing them exactly what they will receive. Days 22 to 45, launch on one platform. Create your Fiverr or Upwork profile. Completed fully, profiles with completed portfolios and descriptions receive 40% more client inquiries according to platform analytics. Set your starting rate at the lower end of the range for your service. Your first goal is reviews, not maximum income. Days 46 to 90, deliver, review, raise. Deliver excellent work on every order. Request a review after every completed job. After your first 3 to 5 positive reviews, raise your rate by 20 to 30%. Begin one outreach activity per day, a LinkedIn message, a direct email, a comment on a potential client's post. By the end of 90 days, focused beginners with a specific skill and consistent effort are realistically reaching $500 to $1,500 per month. That is the honest 90-day picture. Not $10,000. Not passive income from day one. $500 to $1,500 with real work, real focus, and realistic expectations. So there you have it, AI is genuinely changing what's possible for ordinary people online. But it's not a shortcut. It's a tool. And like any tool, the results depend entirely on how consistently and intelligently you use it. The people winning with AI income in 2026 are not the ones who found a secret hack. They're the ones who picked one service, built a real skill around it, and showed up consistently until the clients and the income followed. In the final episode of this series, we're covering the income stream most people dream about and few actually build correctly. Passive income. What it really means. What actually works for beginners. And how to build your first stream without falling for the dozens of passive income myths floating around online. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And comment below, which of these AI income methods interests you most? Drop it below and I'll tell you exactly where to start for your specific situation. This is Funds and Future, the financial education you never got in school. See you in the next one.